Hello guys, good evening. Time check is 9:05. Just finished cooking my dinner. Uh, Pork, potato, bell pepper, chickpeas, pineapple, ketchup, garlic and onion, chili crust pepper, bay leaves. Yeah. I was hungry earlier, so I didn't figure out what to cook, so I decided to cook this menu or dish. And I already cooked the rice, so rice is done. Yum, yum, yum.